From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, here are the headlines. Trouble looms for Fubara as Supreme Court stops Rivers State allocation, orders CBN. EFCC chairman reviews the declined 500 million naira offer during mother's funeral. Bauchi announces 5-week school closure for Ramadan. Now the news in detail. The Supreme Court orders Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) to stop release of funds to Rivers State government until a proper House of Assembly is constituted. The court also ordered Martin Amaule to resume sitting immediately with all elected members. NaijaNews reports that the Apex Court also barred the Accountant General of the Federation and other government agencies from disbursing funds to the Rivers State government until it complies with previous court rulings. In a judgment delivered by Justice Emmanuel Akumaye, the 5-member panel unanimously dismissed the cross-appeal by Governor Signalai Fubara, which challenged the legitimacy of the House of Assembly led by Speaker Martin Amaule. The court further condemned Fubara's actions regarding the alleged defection of 28 lawmakers, describing them as an act of political intimidation and dictatorship aimed at preventing the legislature from functioning. Additionally, the court also ruled that demolition of the Rivers State House of Assembly complex under Fubara's directive was an abuse of executive power intended to obstruct legislative proceedings. In other news, Olukoyede, Executive Chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), said on Thursday that he declined offers worth about 500 million naira from various individuals during his mother's funeral in 2019. According to him, the gift offers included checks and drafts for ministers, permanent secretaries, directors, and other high-level government officials while serving as Secretary of the EFCC. The EFCC chairman spoke at the 38th Anti-Corruption Situation Room in Abuja on Thursday with the theme Ethics, Integrity, Corruption Risk Assessment and Anti-Corruption at national and subnational levels, sustaining the fight against corruption in Nigeria. The event was organized by the Human and Environmental Development Agenda Resource Center, Kano State Public Complaints and Anti-Corruption Commission (ICPC) and EFCC with the support of MacArthur Foundation. Reflecting on the situation, Olukoyede said he rejected those offers due to integrity concerns. However, he called on Nigerians to refrain from offering any form of support to individuals facing prosecution for economic and financial crimes. And lastly, for tonight, the Bauchi State government through the Ministry of Education has announced the closure of all schools in the state in preparation for the 5-week-long 2025 Ramadan fast. The announcement is contained in the approved school calendar for the 2024-2025 academic session in the state. Speaking with the news agency of Nigeria in Bauchi on Friday, the Information Officer, Ministry of Education, Mr. Jalaluddin Meena, said the holiday had already been incorporated in the calendar long before now. He explained that the closure would take effect from March 1st to April 5th, 2025. Meena said the closure affected all the institutions of learning, which includes all public and private primary, junior, and secondary schools, as well as higher institutions of learning in the state. Meanwhile, some parents in the state have lamented that the development would adversely be impacted on their children's educational progress. Some parents expressed frustration at the development, emphasizing that the period was too long. We will continue to supply you more trending news stories. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.